On the F, it slipped and there was nothing covering the hatch on the F-5. And it went dung, 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 dung.
The F-5 knocking on the door.
Guys, care if I fly around while you guys are flying?
You can't fly while we're flying, Robert. You know this already. Of course, Robert. It's not our sky. No, come on. We're good. I have no objection. Unless you guys do. But...
Yeah.
Well, I gotta get out of. I gotta get out of the way of his hat, so we're gonna be all staggered.
Go.
China cleared.
I'm ready. I'm ready. Holy! Jesus, Frank caught up to us quick.
I almost hit away. I was like, this was not me. And then I was like, oh.
Okay.
I'm just gonna burn another.
I think my gyro's loose.
No gyro in this one.
I turned it off because I think it's loose.
This gyro thing is good, but
F5 don't need it. Really? With it?
Time remaining 2 minutes.
The F5? Why? Okay.
Time remaining 1 minute.
Don't dip it too low, Frankie. Jesus, already? Behind you. God, the F-5 is a rocket ship. My God, look at that. Only made it a fraction of the way you did. Only made it a fraction of the way of the... F-5's a damn rocket ship.
7, 6, 5.
Landing left!
3, 2,
Yeah, the F-15.
time expired.
F-5 is a missile. Holy crap. And did you see how fast you caught me on takeoff?
Yeah.
Like, holy crap.
I'm on the way to the right. I was super scared I was gonna hit you.
Oh, I saw you. I got out of the way, but I'm like, damn. I was full throttle. Go ahead, I'll go behind you. I'm turning around behind you. Coming right behind you. It's gonna be close.
Light pack 22.24. 1 minute over.
Thing is nimble now too. Holy crap! You can whip that thing around.
Just whip it. Whip it. gyro on yours? Nope.
I turned my gyro off because I think it's
Gyro is
loose.
this guy.
Gyro
This is the only plane
initialized.
without a gyro in it. This and the A-10.
You're coasting in faster than me.
Oh, it's working all over. Knife edge. Yeah, it is. That's fine.
Be careful with knife edge in that. Serious.
I shouldn't pull a Greg.
Hell no.
Oh, hell no.
It won't be good.
Timer over 1 minute 58 seconds.
God,
2
that thing's a
minutes
rocket.
over.
Sneak pass.
Landing.
Landing flaps. Temperature 93 degrees Fahrenheit. Flight pack 22.1 volts.
Whoa! Whoa! Thermal! Thermal, thermal, thermal! Nice catch. Jesus. That was a thermal out of nowhere. That was a good catch, Frank.
Yeah, that's well. I think you broke your nose. It just keep up.
Over. Gyro initialized.
What the hell that was? I think my gyro's loose. I gotta check it. It's the lemon. Now, part of it was that too, because it's been moving a lot more than normal. I think the gyro came loose. Forgot to check it before I flew. No, it's good. Maybe I put the aileron's gain too high. I don't know. That's an easy fix. All right, we're good. Get out of the way of the hot rod.